Is watery whipped cream still usable for desserts?
Hello there. In today's video, we're addressing a common kitchen conundrum. Can I still use watery whipped cream for my dessert? It's happened to all of us. You're making a dessert, and your whipped cream is just not holding up. But worry not. We're here to help.
Why is my whipped cream watery?
First things first, let's understand why your whipped cream might have turned watery. The most common reason is over-whipping or under-whipping. When you over-whip cream, it can start to separate into fat and liquid, and when you under-whip it, it doesn't get the chance to form the right structure and remains too liquid. Another reason could be the temperature. Both the cream and the tools you're using should be cooled to get the best results.
Can I still use watery whipped cream?
So, now the big question, can you still use it? The short answer is, it depends on how you're planning to use it. If your recipe requires a light, fluffy texture, like for a mousse or a topping, then a watery whipped cream might not be your best choice. However, if you're using it in a recipe where the texture isn't as crucial, like a smoothie or a sauce, then you can definitely still use it.
How can I fix watery whipped cream?
But what if you really need that fluffy texture and all you have is watery whipped cream? Don't worry, there's a chance to save it. Chill your watery whipped cream in the fridge for a bit and then try re-whipping it. Make sure not to over-whip this time. If it's still too liquid, you can try adding a bit of gelatin or cornstarch, which will help it hold its structure better. So, there you have it. While watery whipped cream might not always be ideal, it's not the end of the world and there are ways to save it. Remember to keep your cream and tools cold, and watch out for over-whipping. Remember, even in the kitchen, there's usually a solution for every problem. Happy cooking!